everyone, today, I'm drawing Hello Kitty and her friend's super fun adventure as Knighthood. Let's begin by drawing Tuxedo Sam. Tuxedo Sam is a smart knight who loves solving puzzles. What kind of mysteries do you think he'll solve? Then, let's draw my melody. My melody is a gentle knight who protects the forest with her magic. What magical creatures do you think she'll meet? My melody's shield is decorated with pretty flowers. What would you put on your shield? I'm drawing Karapi. Karapi is a cheerful knight who loves to hop around the kingdom. Where do you think he'll explore next? Next, let's draw Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is a kind and noble knight, always helping her friends. What heroic deeds do you think she'll do? And I'm drawing Badsmaru. Badsmaru is a brave knight with a shiny sword. Do you think he's ready to fight a dragon? Lastly, let's draw Pompompurin. Pompompurin is a funny knight who loves to make everyone laugh. What silly jokes do you think he'll tell? Hello Kitty and her friends are on a quest to find hidden treasures. What treasures do you think they'll find? And now, let's color them together. Pinky, throw some color. All look beautiful. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thank Thanks for watching.